Yes. Good morning. See, distributed dipole. We know what is a dipole? Two equal and opposite charges separated by certain distance. We call it as dipole. Here, distributed dipole. Why it is called distributed? Negative charge, just it is like a point charge. But if you see the point positive charge, this positive charge is distributed like this. But from any point of this positive charge, the distance to the negative charge is same. So in the two charges, if any charge is distributed like this dipole, you call it as distributed dipole, right? So what is the dipole moment of this distributed dipole? That is our question, right? So this is negative charge and positive charge is distributed like an arc. Here it is distributed like an arc. The distance between these two is radius of this arc equal to, right? And this arc is making an angle theta, total angle. This total angle is theta. Making an angle theta here. Just like this negative charge comes to the center of this arc. So this arc making an angle theta at this point, right? What is the dipole moment of this dipole? For that, a small procedure to be followed. See here. Select a small region, a small portion on this. Select a small portion. Small angular portion which is making an angle pi. A small portion I selected here which is making an angle pi at this center. This line joining the small portion to this point makes an angle see small portion I said. For this portion, let us say angle is d pi and it is making an angle pi. The small portion making an angle pi with this bisector, right? So what we did, we selected a small portion here, means small charge. I joined it. That small charge lies in a angular area d pi. It is making an angle d pi, and this line joining this minus q and this small charge making an angle pi with this bisector, right? Let us see what is the total charge there. Here total positive charge plus q. The total charge plus q is distributed on this arc making an angle theta at the center. So what is the charge per unit angle q by theta. So this total charge making an angle theta here, then what is the charge per unit angle? If I take a portion, if it is making such an angle, charge per unit angle is q by theta. Now here if you see, I selected this small portion. I selected this small portion making an angle d phi. For a small portion making an angle d phi, this small portion making an angle d phi at the center, charge dq. How to write this dq? dq is charge per unit angle is q by theta. See what is dq here? This small charge on this small portion. Charge on this small portion. Total charge q for the angle theta. For this small portion making an angle d phi, charge is dq. Right? So dq is equal to q by theta. This is for unit angle into what is this angle? d phi. dq is equal to q by theta into d phi. Q by theta per unit angle, it is making an angle d phi. So for d phi angle, what is q by theta into d phi? Is this point clear? If you are clear with this point, everything is okay, right? Now, what is dipole moment for this? First, we find the dipole moment of this small charge, then we extend it to total. So, dipole moment of small portion of that small portion. What is the formula for dipole moment? Charge into distance between the charges. Dipole moment formula, product of charge and distance between the charges, right? I call it as dp. Here charge is dq. Distance between this charge and this charge is also equal to r, because this is also radius. From here to here, the distance is equal to r. So dq into r, right? Now, a small thing. See, this is r. I selected the small portion here, dq. Here is minus q. Now, whatever dipole moment I write, dp is equal to dq into r, is in this direction. This is dp. Right? So this is the dipole moment for this small charge, dq into r. What is the direction? We know the direction is from negative charge to positive charge. It is in this direction. So like this. Okay. How much angle it is making with bisector? Pi. So it is making an angle with the bisector. Right? So resolve it into two components. One component comes like this. dp sin theta. Another component comes like this. Here it is pi, dp sin pi. Another component comes along this, dp cos pi. dp cos pi. If you select the same element, symmetrical element on this side, if you select the same symmetrical element on this side of dq, it also makes the same angle pi. Same symmetrical element on this side. It also makes an angle pi. And same dp comes this side. Resolve it into components. dp sin pi, dp cos pi comes along this direction, right? dp cos pi, see here I write, comes along this direction. What it clears you, for any small charge we select on this, any small charge we select on, which components are cancelling out? For symmetrical elements on either side, sine components are cancelled out, cos components add up, right? Cos components add up. All cos components comes along this direction, all symmetrical. For this, in this direction. For this, in this direction, sine component. They cancel out with each other, right? So what is the net dipole moment now? So what is the resultant dipole moment for small charge dq dp net, dp resultant you can take dp cos pi, because sine components are cancelling out, only cos components remain, dp cos pi, right? If you want to get total, what is the net dipole moment for this total charge configuration P, all these dp cos pi components are added, integral of dp cos pi, right? Here one important point to remember, whenever we are taking integration, limits required. What are the limits here? See here, this total angle is theta. We are taking this perpendicular bisector as the reference. On this side angle is theta by 2. On this side angle is theta by 2. If you take this side angle as positive, this side angle is negative, right? For this half minus theta by 2. For this half plus theta by 2 are the limits. Because from this side if you go on right, plus theta by 2. From this reference if you go on this side, minus theta by 2. So this total charge extended from this point to this point, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So what are the limits here? Minus theta by 2 to plus theta by 2. Limits are minus theta by 2 to plus theta by 2, right? Come on. dp is what? dqr integral dq or cos pi minus theta by 2 to plus theta by 2, right? What is dq here? What is dq? Q by theta d phi, integral minus theta by 2 plus theta by 2 in place of dq, q by theta, or can I write cos pi d phi? Just d phi on that side, that's all, right? Here what are constants? Q constant, R constant, theta constant. Q constant, R constant, theta constant. What remains? Integral of cos pi d phi minus theta by 2 to plus theta by 2, right? So integral of cos pi, sin pi, QR by theta, sin pi minus theta by 2 to plus theta by 2. Okay. Come on, take a screenshot. Integral of cos pi d pi is sin pi. Limits are minus theta by 2 to plus theta by 2. Next. Then apply the limits. Then what is P net here? QR by theta sin. I am applying in case of pi limits. Sin theta by 2 minus of sin minus theta by 2. Upper limit plus theta by 2, lower limit minus theta by 2. If I apply upper limit sin theta by 2 minus of lower limit sin minus theta by 2. QR by theta sin theta by 2 minus of minus comes out plus sin theta by 2. So what is the final answer? P net in this case is QR by theta 2 sin theta by 2. This is the answer. Students, this is important for entrance point. It is not a board question. It is important for entrance point. This is a new approach. Whenever it is distributed like this, first select a small portion, find the charge on that small portion, and proceed like this. Right? You go through it once again, you can understand. So first, for entrance point, you remember this formula. Wherever you find for distributed dipole, what is the dipole moment? QR by theta 2 sin theta by 2. This formula to be remembered. Very important for entrance. Right? Come on, take a screenshot or note down. Next. An example on this, how they asked in previous entrance, the question on this. An example. They gave the question like this. That is a distributed dipole. How positive charge is distributed? Negative charge is at the center O and positive charge is distributed on a positive charge. Q is distributed on a semi-circular arc. Distributed on a semi-circular arc of radius r. They asked the question, what is the dipole moment of this distributed dipole? Right? That is the question. What is the formula we have? QR by theta 2 sine theta by 2 is the formula. QR by theta 2 sine theta by 2. Here we need to know what is theta. Here it is distributed on a semi-circular arc. So what is theta? Is pi, right? For a semi-circular arc, theta is pi radian, right? Semicircle, half circle, theta is pi. Here what I said, this is theta. If this is a complete arc, semicircular arc, theta is pi. Simply apply. P is equal to QR by pi 2 sine pi by 2, right? Then what is the final answer? QR by pi sine pi by 2, sine 90, 1, 2 remain. 2 QR by pi. This is the answer. Right? Sometimes they ask with the direction. What is the direction of this dipole moment? Because dipole moment is a vector. What is its direction? See, here is negative charge. Here is positive charge. If you observe the diagram, net dipole moment is along this direction, right? P net. Here also, net dipole moment direction is along this direction. This is P direction, right? Always from negative charge to positive charge. Okay. See, if they are given, it is in xy plane. If this is along x-axis, sometimes they give like this. They asked a question in previous entrance. This is dipole. Positive charge is here, distributed dipole. And here is the negative charge, like as shown in figure. This negative charge is along x-axis. and this is in xy plane. What is the direction of the dipole? Here is positive charge, here is negative charge. What is the direction of the dipole? They asked the question. What is the direction of the dipole? This is the direction of the dipole from negative to positive, right? So how can we write it in vector form? 2qr by pi along positive y-axis. Along positive y-axis, right? If you take this is x and this axis is y, it is along positive y-axis, right? Positive y-axis means j cap. Like you can write it in vector form. Okay. Sometimes to confuse you, here they give positive charge, here they give negative charge. In that case, everything is same, direction reverse. That's all. Okay. Note down. This is one of the important problem which comes in previous sentence.